This is Dan at Cardboard Hobby. We are cracking 2019 Gold Rush Autographed Mini Helmet Football 3-box break, eBay break on May 27th, 2019. Happy Memorial Day. I'm going to read off eBay usernames with team names. We got Dalton James 7 with the Eagles and Redskins. J Gay 2424 2010 with the Titans. Quest F _ 53 with the Buccaneers. BLK 96 GT with the Seahawks. Painter 989 with the Jaguars and Niners. P Mono 8 with the Texans and Patriots. We got Peppers Pop with the Steelers. 801 K Town with the Rams and Raiders. We got Wilco 8399 with the Jets. BSBR _ 7 with the Giants. Hobby Hot Hits with the Saints. Branda Gartney _ 0 rocking the Vikings. JASOTITNE-0 with the Dolphins. Lore Claus _ 0 with the Chargers. JSHJRVS 2012 with the Chiefs. Legend 2B with the Packers and Bills. Uncle Rodney with the Colts. Lilmar 865 _ 8 with the Ravens and Lions. Rooster 07X with the Broncos. E-Rayno 3781201J with the Cowboys. JT Swami 24 with the Browns. Nick Bake 89 with the Bengals. Foolish 433 with the Bears. Legend to Be with the Panthers. Scotty V 1982 with the Falcons. And Pit Steel 82 rocking the Cardinals. That is your full lineup. Alright, we got your 3 boxes here. 1, 2, and 3. Mini helmet. We got box number 1 here. Your first box coming at you. We're going to get her open. Good luck, everybody. Here we go. Mini helmet number 1 coming your way. Maybe. There we go. Okay, here we go. Your first mini helmet coming right at you, front and center. LeVar Arrington. How about that? Beautiful LeVar Arrington. Autographed mini helmet. I absolutely love that. Of course, college. Little Penn State. Your JSA cert there in the bottom and on the back. Beautiful LeVar Arrington. That'll be going to the Redskins. Going to Redskins. Washington. Nice LeVar Arrington autographed mini helmet. Little Penn State. Redskins striking first. Nice LeVar Arrington. Redskins. We're going to go up top there with that one. Alright, mini helmet number 2. Mini helmet number 2 coming front and center. Oh my goodness, are you kidding me? I guess the Redskins are just on absolute fire. Wow. How about a Joe Theismann autographed mini helmet? LT got me. Redskins absolutely on fire. Leaf Authentics on your cert. It's down in there in the bottom. And right there for you. How about a Theismann for the Redskins? Wow. Redskins on absolute fire. Alright, Theismann. Beautiful. Beauty. Let's get this box number 3 out here. Front and center for you. Alright, last box. Good luck, everybody. Here we go. Mini helmet number 3. I know who that is. For the Bucks, Mr. Mike Evans. Beautiful Mike Evans autographed mini helmet for the Bucks. The Buccaneers. JSA cert. And JSA cert there in the bottom. Mike Evans, the Bucks striking last. So we got 2 Redskins. Mr. LeVar Arrington in the Penn State. We got the Joe Theismann. And now we got your Mike Evans for the Buccaneers. Beautiful Mike Evans, the Bucks. Congrats to the Redskins and the Bucks, guys. Of course, I'll be sticking around in case anybody has any questions or needs anything, guys. Thank you so much for breaking. Really do appreciate it, guys. Cardboardhobby.com, Dugan1640 on eBay, guys. And I'll be sticking around, guys. Thank you so much.